Yeah, sure. I think we have great progress this month, but it is not shown on the change log. So basically, in on March, it will say most of the commits are committed by OpenClaw or Claude or Codex, but there are a lot about the field change or bug fix. It's just about the robots. So I'm refactoring the project to enable the AI can work with this project. So, moment. Sorry, moment, please. So let me reshare my screen. So can you hear my voice and see my screen? Is that okay?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Let me go through them one by one. So, this changes about the knowledge base. This one, and this is about the skills. Knowledge and skill, knowledge base for the AI and skills to help us to use AI to guiding the AI to use the knowledge base of document or code. So they are, you can think them basically they are the same tool. Without knowledge base, if you don't have the skill, it doesn't work very well because the AI will try to guess or have hallucination. Without the skills, if you only have knowledge base, they also cannot know what to do, and yeah, it doesn't work very well. And this tool is about refactoring the proxy. So, and this one is also similar to refactoring the whole project to a new structure. Yeah, there's no different chain. There's no breaking change. You can still use SRS as before, but I have introduced a new structure that later I can show you. So this tool is about renaming for the AI tools like OpenClaw, Claude, Codex. So if you are interested here, let me send you. So if you're interested in how to use, let me send to the chart. Okay, here. How to use the AI tools? You can check this wiki. So we have a robot, and I see there are some users talk with this robot. It is a Telegram group and Discord group. It works fantastic and quite well. You can check here. I see there are some users talk to the robot. You just add this robot. So it's very easy to use. It seems it is broken, right? Or not broken. Is broken or not broken? Or not broken? Okay. Or it is broken. I need to update the key. The codex, the OAuth token is expired. What about the change to other models? Okay, let me change to it only supports. Okay, I'll fix it later. So another robot is from here, the Telegram group. You can also use it like this one. I guess it is also, yeah, the same problem. Okay. In fact, we have a main group. In this group, in each group, the robot session is different. So, and we can reset it and restart it. So the context window will be new. And in fact, you can directly use these different tools. For example, you clone the SRS and start with Claude. And you can also ask questions like ask the robot. So, and also Codex and Kiru. I use OpenClaw. So these 4 tools both works with the skills and the knowledge base. Yeah, I wonder any questions? Show you any questions? Say okay. So, let me show you how it works. So, for example, this is in Chinese. Let me find an English question. Any English question? All they are all in Chinese. Yeah.
I saw the English question, I will remember.
Which English question?
More earlier. Sorry, is it? I'm asking English question at the general channel.
In general, okay. Yeah, I don't want to ask question because I cannot ask the correct question as a user. So I want to find some question. Oh, okay. Sorry, I can't find it. This one?
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah. But I think I don't want to pick the question asked by you because you are a maintainer. I want to pick up a question from the real user. The question asked from the maintainer and the user is quite different. Because the maintainer always know the details, but user, yeah, they don't know. Let me try to search. How to search in this? No RTC. Okay. No.
Or you can ask an English question right now.
But we are all maintainers, right? Maybe Simon, do you want to ask a question? We can test it. Could you help me?
About how to install.
I mean, I could try.
Yeah.
Yes, Simon, you can try it.
What question do you want to ask?
How to set up like a WebRTC server?
Set up a WebRTC server?
Yeah, maybe.
I think it can trigger the skills. Let me try. It didn't show me the details. It didn't show me the details, right? Oh, sorry. The agent is.
Yeah. Let us know. Use SRS.
Yeah. You will see this is a common AI. So it tried to answer you by its common knowledge. So it's not correct from the perspective of SRS. So I need to change to the agent. I use different agents. So how to set up opacity server? It was so well, it load and find the skill. This is quite important. So when you use AI tools, you must make sure the AI load the correct skills. So right now, we only have one skill SRS support. Another is ST developer by maybe yeah, it is not used by sorry, what is the details? It's gone. Okay. What is the details? I think the OpenClaw updated. So let me try Claude. I want to check the details. No. So you can also use Claude. Yeah, how to see the details? I think it's Control plus O to show the details. So well, it load this skill, and this skill will reason this question and select this knowledge base. This knowledge base is not document. It is about some background and experience in my mind. I write this document. I write my experience to this document, and we can check it later. And then it also try to load some special documents. This is for the user, the WebRTC. So for this question, if I want to answer this question, I have the experience. Maybe I also need to check these user documents. And for user, yeah, you need to do these steps. So the AI did this for you. So, and this is the answer it generated. Let me check. This is run SS from the code. It's correct, right? And this is using the Docker. This is very easy question, I think, but I think it answered very well, right? So publish this stream and answer this. Yeah, it is too easy. Stephen, could you drop some difficult questions? Too easy for the AI.
William.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe Simon have some questions because just now he raised the hand. Maybe.
Oh, okay. Yes, Simon. That's okay. Even when you are back, you can ask questions. So let me explain a bit more. This is OpenClaw. So I always develop the knowledge base with OpenClaw, and because well, it uses this skill. So this skill, it defines the detail steps. So yeah, interesting. It output almost the same right? Almost the same result. It also use the skill, knowledge base, and the document. And with the similar context, it almost output the similar result. So let me switch to another mode. Yeah, Claude. Let me try Claude. And for Claude, it also load the skill and knowledge base and document, right? This is different, totally different AI model. And with the same context, we got almost the same result. And it is correct. Yeah, I checked it is correct. Right? It is correct. Yeah. So do you have any questions about this? This is basically the last month of what I do.
Hi, Simon. Do you have any questions?
And no, I think they were answered with that.
Sorry?
I think they were answered with that. I'm good.
I can hear your voice very clearly. Can you repeat again?
Very good.
Pardon? Sorry. Another improvement is about the structure change. So for the SRS structure, I changed to a new structure like comment and internal. So if you use Go, you will be familiar with this structure, the comment and internal, right? This is the typical structure for Go, but we still keep the track for the C++. So I plan to build the knowledge base and skills for the proxy server, and then try to introduce the orange server in Go and try to migrate the features and code to Go by AI. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's all the changes. Yeah. Yeah. Any other things we need to discuss? If no, we can end the meeting. Okay. Okay, I'll hand it back to Alex. Maybe we can wrap it up. Hello, Alex. That's all. Yeah.
So I think second part is about what's been happening in our community. Maybe we have some questions for Williams, or William can share some insights about how to use OpenClaw to build robots, or maybe some advantages or some risks.
Yeah, I think the community part is that we are using the OpenClaw robot to at the support desk. But in fact, it is. Let me show it. So for this robot, this OpenClaw robot, it is connected to a server. So it is in fact OpenClaw robot here. So model. Oh, let me switch to Opos. Let me switch to this model. So for the OpenClaw robot, it is similar. It is the same to. You see the structure. It is same to. If you follow this instruction here, OpenClaw, you clone the project and create an OpenClaw agent, or just set the OpenClaw main agent and the link to the agent workspace. That's it. Yeah. So that is what I do. I link this workspace to the SRS project. So in this, if you link the OpenClaw here, it has memories. It has memories here, tools, agents. That is basically our OpenClaw agent. So it has skills and memory, and the knowledge base is the memory. So view the code map. It is about the whole project, right? Yeah, Simon. You are muted. Yeah.
How does that work if you have like Claude Code, for example, and you're working on a project? Will that reach into those directories?
Yeah. For Claude, it also works. So Claude, we set up there's a Claude directory. So let me show you the code structure. So for Claude, there is a Claude directory, right? So the Claude I link to the Claude to the agents, identity, memory. It is similar thing. So the Claude will load this, and there's a setting. The setting, it will try to load these files into Claude. And with these files and context, the Claude works like OpenClaw agent. Is similar. It has skills and memory. You will see the Claude also has skills and memory. So the structure is similar to the OpenClaw. So if you use Claude, you just need to run Claude from the root directory, and you can ask the Claude what. Let me use speech. What files have you loaded? So it already has loaded all these files, right? So it can find the skills, for example, list all the skills that you are available for the SRS media server. That's okay. There are some typo. That's okay. I think the AI can understand it well. For SRS, there are 2 skills, right? So, yeah. Have I answered your question?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. Yeah. So I think for agent, the key for Codex or for Claude or Kiru, they're all the same. So they are similar to OpenClaw. I mean, when you search a question, when you ask a question, right? Let me try to ask that question again. What, how to, yeah, this question. So when you ask this question, oh, sorry, I'm in a meeting. Sorry. So, when you ask a question, all the agents, OpenClaw, Claude, Kiro, or Codex, I think this is the next generation AI, the agentic AI. It will try to understand your question, and then it may use skills. It may even it is not managed by skills. For example, do not use skills, right? So I'm not sure whether it works or not. Yeah, it works, right? No, it didn't know any skills. So but it still try to use the knowledge base or search the code. Even you don't build the skills and the knowledge base, the agent will try to search the code base and document. But it doesn't work very well because it just try to search, right? Blindly search. So with the skills and knowledge base, it is a guidance for the AI to load which part of for the question. So this question is quite easy. So it also find because it has we have a code map. So let me try to use another branch that has not this one. Yeah, this branch we don't have any AI, right? So Claude, let me try this, ask the same question. There's no skills, no knowledge base, just code and the documents. Yeah, you can say. So, well, it also tried to, I don't know why it know, maybe try to read something. I don't know how it works, right? So maybe it try to read something, understand something, yeah, but it doesn't work so well like the skills and knowledge base. If you ask some difficult questions, yeah. For example,